Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Ken Bone, the undecided voter, and when I trade options, I like to use Gatsby. Options are awesome, but they can be scary. But with Gatsby, they don't have to be. Gatsby cuts out the jargon and makes it fun. I can see what companies my friends are trading on, and I can root for the stock to go up or go down. I can be indecisive, but Gatsby makes it easy to take my opinions on politics, earnings, or breaking news and quickly find the right option for me in my price range. Then, I can just swipe my order to the market and track it in real time. So download Gatsby today, and you can trade options like Ken Bone. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the Bone Zone.